What if I told you that one of nature's most powerful and dangerous forces, a tornado, can be recreated inside a simple plastic bottle? Yes, a tornado. Not in Oklahoma, not in some Hollywood movie, but right here, in your hands. This isn't just a science experiment. It's a glimpse into chaos theory, fluid dynamics, and maybe even the future of climate control. Let's dive in. So how do you make a tornado inside a bottle? Surprisingly simple, shockingly beautiful. What you'll need: 2 plastic bottles water, a bit of dish soap, a connector, and most importantly, curiosity. Fill 1 bottle about 3/4 with water. Add a drop of dish soap. Tape the second bottle on top, mouth to mouth. Now flip it. Give it a spin. And there it is, a miniature vortex spiraling down like a serpent of liquid energy. A swirling funnel, spinning with purpose. Looks cool, right? But this isn't just a fun demo. This little vortex? It's a metaphor for something far bigger. This isn't magic, it's pure physics. When you swirl the water, you give it angular momentum. That spinning motion causes centrifugal force, which pushes the liquid outward, forming a hollow core in the middle, just like in real tornadoes. The dish soap? It smooths out the turbulence, making the vortex more visible and stable. The result? A perfect example of fluid dynamics, the science of how liquids move. And this science is everywhere. It's how airplanes are designed, how weather is predicted, how tsunamis are modeled, even how fuel flows in rockets in zero gravity. That tiny vortex inside your bottle. It's a pocket-sized model of a hurricane. In 2013, researchers in Japan used vortex simulations to study how tornado-force winds affect bullet trains. They created scaled-down storm models, just like our bottle experiment, and used that data to design safer, more aerodynamic trains. NASA? They're doing something even cooler. They study vortex behavior during spacecraft reentry. Because when a capsule hits Earth's atmosphere, it moves through air like a spinning fluid, just like the water in your bottle. Your DIY tornado? It's closer to rocket science than you think. Fast forward to the year 2050. Climate change has made storms stronger, hurricanes more deadly. Now imagine this. Scientists using artificial vortex barriers, walls of spinning air, to weaken storms before they hit cities. Or swarms of mini vortex drones flying into storms, collecting real-time data to not just predict their path, but maybe, one day, control it? Sounds like science fiction? Maybe, but the first step toward that future could start with a plastic bottle in your hands. You know, when I was a kid, I built my first tornado in a bottle for a school project. And when that vortex started spinning, I remember feeling like I had the universe in my hand. Years later, I realized something deeper. Life is a lot like a tornado. It spins, it shakes things up. Sometimes it feels out of control. But at the center of every storm is an eye of calm. Find that center, and you don't just survive the storm, you master it. Motion doesn't always mean destruction. Sometimes it means transformation. So next time you spin a bottle, don't just watch the tornado understand it. Because this isn't child's play. It's a portal into the secrets of nature, engineering, and your own potential. Like, share, and build your own vortex today. The fastest tornado ever recorded hit speeds of 484 kilometers per hour. And yes, fluid, simulations just like this one helped scientists figure out how it spun that fast. Remember, you're not inside the tornado. You're the one holding the bottle.